son Alphonse. Hello everyone, welcome to the French class. I'm going to teach you the international language French. So any guesses what I'm going to teach you today? You all guessed it right, and I'm sure you all guessed it from the board that I have prepared for you all today for today's lesson. So today I, Garima Malik, Head International Languages DBS, is going to teach you the basic concept of grammar in French, that is, how do we frame the small sentences with the help of is, am, are in French. In English, how do we frame is, am, are with the help of to be verb. And what do we say to be verb in French? That is être. That is être. Now, how many sujets do we have in French? Yes, I'm asking about the subjects. That is, how many sujets do we have in French? It is of 8 types. It is of 8 types basically. So see, I have written 4 on my this side, 4 on my this side. So just look here. Let's learn how do we do conjugation of être verb with the sujets. First, être becomes suis with je. So je suis. Je means I, and suis would be am. Très bien. So it would be je suis. That is I am. After this, tu es. It is tu es. That is you are. Then we have il est. That is he is or it is masculine. And then we have elle est. That is she is or it is feminine. Very good. Very nice question that you all asked. Why I am saying it as masculine and it as feminine? Very good. That is, if I am saying masculine and if I am saying feminine, it means all the non-living things do has genders in French. And how do we come to know? I told you in my one of the video. If the word has E at the end, that non-living thing would be feminine, and if that has no E at the end, it would be masculine. But my dear all, it's not every time. 5% exceptions we do have. That you will learn sooner or later in our videos. Now come to the plural side. Here we have nous sommes. Here we have nous sommes. That is we are. After that, vous êtes. That is you are, plural. Then we have ils sont. They are masculine. Elles sont. They are feminine. Très bien. Nous avons l'exercice pour vous. We have the exercise for you. Let's see. Here I have made a boy and I have put a dash over here. So what it would come? Just first see, what do we say boy in French? That is garçon. That is garçon. So dash et un garçon. Here it would be very good. Il. It would be il et un garçon. Très bien. After that I have made a girl. Dash et une fille. Dash et une fille. So what would come here? Elle. That would be elle. So it would be elle et une fille. Elle et une fille. Très bien. I hope you all learned this lesson. You just practice this by giving exercises in the same way. Au revoir. À bientôt. À la prochaine.